Hey everybody, I wanted to talk to you about the next generation of hard folding tonneau covers. I know the backflip tonneau started it, and I'm going to show you a couple of covers that I think are better than the backflip. There's no drain tubes, there's no seals that are going to come out of the channels. It's two different ways of accomplishing the same thing. You got the Leer HF650 black mat hard folding tonneau. It's a quad fold, and this is the LoMax from AgriCover, the LoMax hard tri-folding. This one's all aluminum. This one is kind of a fiberglass synthetic material. They're both hard. They're both secure to secure all your gear. They can handle any snow load. They can probably handle it if a space alien lands on top. They're pretty strong. They both fold up. Let me show you this one first. So this is, Leer does have an economy version of this, the 350, which is a tri-fold version of this same cover, but it's got the cinch latch to open it up, and it just folds to the front. So you can also go full vertical. Again, at this point it does get kind of heavy. So, and then you've got these rods, a couple of things, and you can, there's rods on each side. Now you got virtually 100% truck bed access, haul, whatever. This model, the third brake light, you can still see. On the H50 model of this, it would be a little taller because it's a three-fold. Clamp-on installation, no drain tubes. If you can see, it goes on the inside of the bed. So it works with truck bed rails, it works with racks like the adder rack, etc. You pull these rods off, store them, and then fold her down. There's a lock there, and then you fold it. Like I said, it is a little heavier than what I'm going to show you next. And voila, there it is. So that's obviously way better than the some of the older hard folding tonneaus. This is the LoMax. LoMax makes a stance version and their original version. This is all aluminum. It's a tri-fold. Their original, you can fold it up and store it in the front, and you can remove or reinstall it totally with no tools. This is the stance model, which essentially you can tri-fold it open, which I'm going to show you. So you can flip it up to the front, and I'm actually going to, you can keep folding it, but I wanted to show you a couple of things. This one has a 10-point locking system. So here, it's got locks all the way up, and how you store it in the front, like this. You can go down the road, you're good. 2/3 of your bed open. So you can also go full vertical, and it's got a magnet to hold it, and you can run down the road like this, or you can totally remove it with a couple of bolts. What I like about this model is that ultimately it's very low profile, very sleek. I've been using it racing, as you can tell, so I'm at a dirt track every weekend, and look how nice this thing still looks. There's no weird rubber seals. Again, nothing wrong with rubber seals. This has got some kind of very OE looking rubber seals, but they each have their benefits. So what I mainly wanted to tell you is if you want the state-of-the-art, next level, back to the future, like jumping ahead from moving from a brick phone to a flip phone kind of deal, or from a these fancy phones we all got nowadays. This is the next level of innovation on hard folding truck bed covers, and you can get them. We only offer the best truck accessories. We don't sell any junk, anything that's got high warranty rates, any of that kind of stuff. We do not sell it. We won't keep it on the website. So come check it out, RHRswag.com.